What's up guys, welcome to Track Cues. This is pretty much going to be our first video on the channel, I think, or maybe the second one after the introduction. So today's job is going to be installing the coilovers, and if we have time, we have a couple other suspension stuff too. We got lower control arms and toe arms for the rear, and we're going to be installing the top mounts for the fronts as well, right? I have Bryan here today helping me. Actually, I'm gonna be helping him. He's the mechanic. I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, but hopefully by the end of today, I'll know a lot more about this kind of stuff, because I also want this channel to be an inspiration for people to like start working on their cars, right? So that's kind of our goal, and that's it. Let's see how it goes. The bolt that connects the sway bar end link to the coilover was really rusted, so we took the whole end link out of the car to be able to work on it. Right now, Bryan is trying to heat the nut to hopefully get it to expand and come out. We tried using an Allen key to hold the bolt in place, but it was starting to strip, so didn't want to risk it. We used a vice grip to hold the bolt from spinning. After a lot of heat, PB blaster, and cleaning the threads with a wire brush, the nut finally came up. Here, we're installing the Verus camber plates on the KW coilovers. Since the KWs have low spring rates, we're able to just push the spring down and hand tighten the top nut. After that, we're pushing the camber plate all the way down and tightening the top nut a little bit more. If you're using a power tool, be careful not to over tighten, as you can spin the rod and damage the valves inside. The top nut will be torqued later. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. We did run into a couple of issues actually. That was mostly due to some rusty bolts, but we did figure it out at the end. Thank you so much to Bryan. I couldn't have done it without him actually. He was the one who basically like forced everything out and made it possible. But yeah, that's it. The car looks weird now. The rear end is too low, the front it's not looking the way we want it to look like, but we will get an alignment first thing in the morning tomorrow. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're getting new wheels and tires too, so the alignment will actually be according to that, like how those wheels look, right? But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check Bryan's page out. He actually has real cool cars. He's a mechanic, like he's a race car driver basically, so a lot cooler than I am. So make sure to check his page out. And yeah, we have a lot more content coming out. We have a lot more parts that we're gonna install. Like we got a roll cage, like I said, wheels and tires, harnesses, oil cooler, and a couple other stuff that I can't think of right now. But yeah, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next video, and catch you on the next one.